Hello everyone, I'm a product manager with Fralock, where we are leading the way in advanced material solutions. Today I want to talk to you about a lightweight, flexible grounding strap solution that Fralock has developed to serve the aerospace as well as military defense industry. Historically, the grounding strap solutions that are out there have been in the form of heavy, round cables, not easy to route, not easy to stow, and Fralock has a solution to address that. During one of our recent trade shows, it became evident that the aerospace community is in need of a grounding strap solution that combines lightweight with flexibility and a high degree of stowage capability, which can still withstand the high amperage required for the majority of applications in which this is used. Using our proprietary Dura technology, Fralock has developed a grounding strap solution that is flexible, lightweight, thin, and has extreme stowability for applications. Additionally, Fralock's grounding straps are available with either a static dissipative or dielectric outer skin, depending upon the requirements of your application. If your application is in need of a grounding strap that is both lightweight and flexible, hit us up. Fralock can help you.